Well, hello, my mad scrappers. I have a mail call. And actually, this has been sitting here on my floor here in my office, probably closing in on a week. But I'm like, I'm not going to do a mail call for a single item. So I was waiting for something else to come in. And guess what? Something else finally came in today's mail. So, yay! Now I can do a video that's longer than 5 minutes. So, so let's get to it. Let's see what... This is still stuff coming in from... Craft Day at HSN. I think I have one more package that finally got the notice that I'm getting it. So it should be coming here. So, oh, okay. This. See, everything's coming kind of like, I don't know why this time. Instead of coming in one big box, which is what I'm used to, or two big boxes, it's kind of like trickling. And this is the tacky mat for the Lisa Horton Crafts. Let me see where I have mine right down here. I'm sorry, I'm having to look for it in a new place because I've organized, and actually this is a better place for it. But I got the Lisa Horton, the craft mat, this thing. And I'm really excited to start using it with stenciling. But I also got the tacky mats for it. So that's what this is. It fits this so for, especially for stenciling and whatnot, or any mixed media use, I think. So I now have the time. This is pretty thick. So let's actually open it. I can't get the thing back in its lovely felt pouch anyway. So let's go ahead and open this up. So, oh, okay, because it has like a gel plate with it. Oh, I wasn't paying attention. So, oh, you know what? It adheres to this. This is what it is. I gotta read my handy dandy instructions or watch the video again. But that's what comes with the tacky mat. And I become a new Lisa Horton fan. Oh my gosh, her what's the word I'm trying to look for? You know what? The tacky mat attaches to this. And there we go. It now all is revealed to the mad scrapper. I get it. But her embossing folders are nothing short of amazingness, and that's the last of what's coming from Craft Day are her and some of her embossing folders, because they're just amazing. So anyway, let me set this aside. So that's the tacky mat and my tacky mat tool thingy. Put that here, stay, don't go anywhere. And let's see what else came in this. My God, this thing just barely made it, apparently. But I think it's just paper, isn't it? It's probably, oh, there's a couple. Ah, look what I was talking about. Lisa Horton is in the house. Woohoo! Today is Lisa Horton Day. So these are all kinds of goodies. And one more thing, the paper. So this is one of this came off of the secret sale, Craft Happy, and it is a Marianne Craftables. It is, oh my gosh, a stitchable die, and it's all seashells. And I have an album that I'm eventually going to make, and I wanted to incorporate that there. So again, it was really inexpensive, so I went ahead and got it. But this is just the edgeable die with the stitching. You can barely see. You can see here the spiral and the regular seashells and some little sprigs. And here's a conch, kind of a conch shell. It takes a little bit of looking, but you can see them. But I got that. Now here are all of my leaves. And oh wait, but this is Lisa Horton, so let's leave her for last. I got this from Creative Expressions. It is a Shabby Basics lace doily. I was fascinated by it, and I love shabby. So the fact that now I have a die that does shabby, I mean, you can see here like the little torn out places. I was fascinated by it. I'm like, oh, this is cool. So yes, I got it. Now I hate this kind of packaging it comes in, so needless, I'm going to be cutting this off because it just makes it a pain. I mean, it's great protection. I don't think anybody does this packaging anymore except maybe Creative Expressions, or this is an old die. I don't know. Regardless, you know, I will just cut the top off and then it's fine. Now here is the Lisa Horton stuff I was waiting for. I got the Mariposa embossing folders. Why? Because it's butterflies, and I love butterflies, and it's a 3D embossing folder. And I got the coordinating layering stencils. So, and this is really cool. This is real. I mean, apparently there's a whole bunch of stencils because this feels really, really thick. So I'm just going to peel that off and pull that over. And oh my goodness, they really are. So there are quite a few stencils in this. There is, I mean, what does it say? Well, see, 2 Grand Parade. Let's see how many there are. If I can get the blessed thing. See, this is why I cut the tops off of these, so I can make slipping these things in and out of their protective envelope easier. But oh my gosh, so there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. People, 8 stencils. There is a boatload of detail in these stencils. I mean, look at that one alone. Oh, and actually it's 2 of them. So maybe 9. So wait a minute. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Correct. 8, and 9. Wow. That's a lot, but that's what you get from Lisa Horton and the super attention to detail. So I am really excited to make something with this, like yesterday. And we're now springy. Today is the first day of spring. So wah, perfect timing for this to arrive. And let's see, last but not least is always paper, because, you know, I have too much paper. And that said no self-respecting scrapbooker ever. And I picked up this card kit because it really tempted me. And I look at it, and seeing it on screen didn't do this justice. And I'm positive this was also from the sale as well. I'm fairly confident, but and it comes with envelopes. So it's basically just quickie card kits. And I love these quickie card kits that take me forever to put together. But I have a trip coming up in a couple of weeks. Literally, I have to survive the next 2 weeks. And you guys know I've made no secret. I always say I'm an immigration paralegal, and fees are going up on April 1st. So it's already gotten intense for me. Yesterday, I quit my work, and at quitting time, I was bone weary, tired. I mean, just so tired. It wasn't like I'd done anything physical. It was just, you know, constant barrage of phone calls and emails and chats and da la 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 la. So I was just like just exhausted. And I see that being my state for the next 2 weeks until I get through, until the Saturday, the 31st, because that'll be the last day anybody can file, you know, put things in the mail. So then it's going to be, and then the following week, I'm going away to Oceanside. It's the girls' weekend where we'll be scrapbooking all weekend in Oceanside. Yay! I'm so excited. And then I'm a little over a month away from vacation. And we're taking Nan on a cruise. We're taking her on a Disney cruise, and we're going to spend a couple of days in Orlando on both ends. We're flying in on a red eye for the weekend, and then our cruise is Monday through Friday. And then we're there for the rest of the weekend, and we fly home Sunday night. So I'm very much looking forward to this vacation. Anyway, guys, that's it for this little mini haul. It wasn't a lot, but it was cool. So I'll be back when the next, hopefully, I already got the alert for that last shipment is already on its way. So hopefully in the next few days, maybe by the weekend, I'll have that box too, all right? So meanwhile, I'm going to let you go. So go out there and craft. And don't forget that we're making those cards for cards for Cubs. Sign up and do that, guys. I'm now starting on this stack of cards that I'm assembling for that. And I already have just new. In the new, I have 39 cards already set aside, not counting what I'd already made before that are sitting in a drawer in the garage. So before this ends, I'll let you know how many exactly I'm sending in. But get together. You don't need to make a lot. Make 10. Make whatever. Just send them in. It's a great cause. I will link you down below to my video talking about it. All right, guys? So go out there. Again, craft. Make something beautiful, and always remember that what you make and what you give brightens someone's day. So go out there and make a difference with your craft, all right? And as always, don't ever forget, we are all a little mad here, people. So come on, let's craft the madness together, okay? I'm going to talk to you guys later. Bye! Ah! No, wait! There's more. I swear they're determined. HSN is determined to nickel and dime me to death with these things. This was sitting here on my doorstep when I went out today. So it's like, oh my gosh, I'm going to add it in to one of the videos because I have to. So let's see what came that I wasn't paying attention that should be coming that was still owed to me because I don't pay attention. I just trust that it will show up. And there you go. But they are like killing me here. You think this wouldn't have fit in the box they sent me? Oy. Anyway. So let's see, what is this? Oh, look, it's the other Lisa Horton. And it's so funny because it's still coming up in my, I keep getting flashed about it. So obviously they're not paying attention to the fact that I already ordered it. So this is the 3D embossing folder for butterflies. And but this one not only is the embossing folder, so let me pull it out. It also has the cutting dies. So I can cut these out. And this is just so... I'm like, wow. Okay, let me grab my usual red piece of paper that I keep handy almost literally for this so you guys can see. I mean, these are 3D. If I remember, hers are all, yeah, these are all 3D embossing folders. So look at that. These are going to be very, very cool. I am very, very jazzed and excited that this came in. So we're going to add this to the list of things to do. But I wanted to show this to you because it came in and because I haven't finished editing the video. So now I can tag this to the end of it. All right, guys. So hopefully you enjoy it. Everything else applies that I already said. Thanks a lot for putting up with me. Love you guys. Bye.